Trying the air-fried pasta chips with a creamy feta dip. I cooked rigatoni just until it was al dente. I did about 8 ounces, then poured it into a large bowl. I drizzled about 3 tablespoons of olive oil over the pasta. Coat them really well. Next, I added about 1/3 of a cup of fresh Parmesan. Then you're going to add the seasoning. I did about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoons dried basil. Mix all that up well. Then cook them in the air fryer at 375 for 15 minutes. I had to toss them around a few times throughout the cooking process so they cooked evenly. For the feta dip, take 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, about 3 ounces of feta, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 tablespoon olive oil. With a food processor or any utensil if you don't mind it lumpy, blend it all together. I thought the pasta needed more flavor, and I forgot to record it, but I added more Parmesan right after it came out of the air fryer. I know not everyone is a fan of feta. A lot of these recipes just suggest dipping in a marinara sauce. I drizzled a little more olive oil on top of the feta dip and topped with some green onions. I thought these looked really good. I was unsure if I would enjoy them. Honestly, I'm not sure I would make them again because only some of us ate them. I think I would give these a 6 out of 10. I might try them once more with a marinara. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. I have posted some delicious recipes to share with you all.